Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my new tutorial of our TIA portal. So in this video we are going to learn about some FPD language. So you will first learn ladder language, then you will learn FPD because these both are some things are different, but if you understand the ladder correctly, then it will nothing disturb you to learn. Nothing means not problem you will face not problem to learn FPT. So I am just there is my two function block. I have two function block, and first included ladder and second one is FPD. This is our part one. I am going to teach you also a part two. So first of all you will learn how. You will see that it my open gate and it's my close, and I am just going to, you will see I'm 0.0 there. So you will see it is a simple ladder, and I am going to enter q 0.0. So how I make these ladder language in my FBD? So let's see. First of all we need a basic logics operation. You will see I am going to enter an AND gate, and I am just I don't think I need an AND gate, but think that one. So I'm going to enter that 0.0, and you will see that there if it's is equal to 1, then we have an our output. I'm going to enter an output there, sorry, which is I think we directly place it there like that. uh, Sorry, maybe I have something missing in the q 0.0 there, and I'm going to enter m 0.0 there. So that is our ladder. You will see that the same, it will work the same. So if I'm going to change it to NC, so you will see I'm just placing NC there, and I need to change that to NC. So I just move that one to there. So you will see it will now work as NC. These are the same language, same working of that language. So if I just need one NC and means an AND gate, I'm just doing 0.1 there. So how I make that language, you will see that I'm just going to play and using an AND gate there, and I'm going to first make it NC. So which one is our NC? M 0.0 is NC. So I'm just putting M 0.0 as NC and M 0.1 as N. Now I'm going to just paste it there, and my output is 0 q 0.0. So these are the same. You will see it this one and this one is working same, the same language, same output, same commands. So if I need more, I just enter it there, and I just you will see added there one more. I'm going to name it m 0.2 there, and you will see that I'm just paste that m 0.2. So now if I'm going to use OR gate, so first of all I'm going to show you. I'm just like that, I'm going to paste it there and drag it there, oh sorry, like that, and I'm just copying that and that. So how I create that in FPT? So let's see, I'm just delete that there, and I'm just sorry, not that one. I'm just you will see that I'm just using OR. So here is our OR. I just need one more. and I will make one as MC. So you will see our M0.0 and MC, M0.0 and M0.1 and M0.2, and I just make a command to execute as a Q0.0 there. So that is our ladder. These are working as the same. So if we give you the ladder language, we design like that, and in FBD we design like that. So if we use an exclusive OR, so you will see that exclusive OR means it will work oppositely, like you understand the exclusive OR. Exclusive OR means it will invert our output. So how it will invert? First of all, I am going to delete that, and I just going to bit and searching where is my thing invert. It's not program control. Reset. I am searching that invert. There is not. I think we don't have an invert. Means not like that. Yes. So how it will invert? So I'm just going to use that M0.1 there and 0.2 there, and it will invert our language. So I'm just going to output. You will see the Q 0.0. So these both working the same. So that is our ladder. So I'm just going to show you one more thing, and which is our assignment. So let's see. It is the same working. You will see that there. So I'm just going to put that there and Q 0.0. So let's check what is how that one is working. So I'm just going to my main OB, and I just drag and drop my FPD there, and like that, and I'm going to my main FPD also there, and I'm going to first one we need compilations of both FPD and ladder also, and the main OB also. Now I think I need to start simulation to check so how that thing is working. So let's see, it is going to start. I'm going to load that and run my simulation. You'll see that they're going to directly FPD. So let's see, it will working as its exclusive OR. You will see that our output is now energized. Both have a false. If I am going to make one that as a true, so just I think I am going to modify to 0. First of all, I am going to delete that to check M0.1. Now I am going to check and start downloading that again. So you will see, if I am going to make it true, it will work as a negative edge, means like that. It will work like that, means I'm just going to delete that, and I'm just paste a not there like that. So it will working as the same as. So that is our logic of my FPD. Now I'm going to delete that, and you will also learn about a set reset. That means a set if means q 0.0 and m 0.0. Also I'm going to use a reset, and I'm going to q 0.0 and m 0.1, like that, and in the ladder. So how I'm going to design, so you will see. First of all, need to reset that, because m 0.1 is another reset. I'm just like that, and 0.0, and the set will be there, like that, like that. So q 0.0 and q 0.0. So these both working the same. You will see that is our this run, and that is our this run. So these are the working of ladder. So I'm just, you will see, it will whole means now I'm just making a same diagram. You will see that it will we execute like that. You will see that. So I'm just putting q 0.0 there, and my en, how I need to en is at 0.0 and m 0.1, like that. So what's happening there? These are the language are different. We discuss these things later. That thing. Set means m 0.0 set, m 0.1 as a reset, like that, and we have at q 0.0. So these are the working of the same. This is works like a same. We design the same language. The ladder it will work like that, and then the FBD will work like that. But you will also see the reset and set means it both have a same thing, but it will use differently if uh, as a demand we used to create a program. So I'm just going to change that like to m 0.1 there and m 0.0 there. So these are the both working as the same, like that. You will see that. So first of all, I'm going to show you. I'm just downloading into my PLC to check that. You will see. Just I'm going to make it a false 0, and if I'm going to make modify to 1, you will see it will set. The both have set. But if I'm going to make that monitor to 1, so you will see that will is not reset, but the dead one is reset. So if I am going to use that reset to 0, so you will see now it will going to reset. So if we will use these things for FBD language as a purpose, we use as a function, which function we need to use to run, because sometimes our output our reset output will energize, and we don't want to reset our output bit is energized, but we don't want to reset our output. So we use that language for that set reset for that one. So I'm just going to also delete that, and you will also learn the p string like that and make it opposite like that, and entering like that, and make like the opposite like that. So I'm just going to show you like that. We use a q 0.0 and just make it a copy there and paste it. Please must watch my previous lecture, so you want to understand. I am just directly putting that p, directly putting that 10, like that, and I'm just going to delete that and delete that one. Now I'm going to run 0.0 and 0.1, we'll see, and 0.2 and 0.3. So how I'm making to FBD, you will see that the same function and 0.0 and 0.3 and 0.2 and 0.1. These are the same functions. You will see that these function like the same. So these entering are the difference we discuss in the later languages. You will see that that's a p-string. It is our output p-string for set and reset. I think means we directly we copy that ones to there and that ones to there. Sorry, that cut that one to there, and our Q 0.0 is showing output like that. You will see that these two, this one and this one, have the same functions, but like I'm going to delete that, so you'll see that, and I'm going to make that one. So you will see I'm just drag and drop that there and just cut that one to there. Sorry, Control Z and just copy that one to there, and 2.0 copy that one to there, and copy that one to there. So these two, this one and this one have the same function, like we discuss in our that p-string we use. It will energize our output, but we don't need like that one and that one. These both are the same. So these both are the same. So this is our basic FBD. We discuss more FBD's functions later in our next video, means our part 2. This is our part 1. So I think thank you very much for watch my video. So please subscribe my channel, like my video and click the bell icons and comments if you don't understand anything. And in the future I am making more videos on different things. So but don't forget, in the descriptions I give my contact links, Indosoft SCADA playlist link, Ignition SCADA, as well as factory scenes. So if you want to learn, so watch my videos, so you will understand many things of factory plants automation, PLCs, HMIs and SCADA. So thank you very much.